Alright, this is problem number 6 on our chapter 6 study guide 6.1 to 6.4. And for this, it's just like number 5. They want us to solve the linear system using elimination. In this one, unfortunately, none of our variables are the same. So what we're going to have to do in step 1 is get our variables the same so we can cancel one of them out. So it doesn't matter, you can either get your x or y the same. There's a number of ways to do this, but I'm just going to do one way and then you guys can use that and choose which way you would like to do it. So for this one, I noticed that I can multiply y by 2 just to get 2y. That'll cancel out pretty easy. And so I'm going to go ahead and multiply this top equation by 2. So I'm going to rewrite it. 3x plus y equals 10. That's just this top equation copied down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the whole problem by 2. So times 2. That way that gives us the 2y. So our new problem is going to read, you got to distribute to all of these. So we're going to actually be left with 6x plus 2y equals 20. Okay, and all I did was multiply that whole problem by 2. Then we're left with this same problem for the second one, 5x minus 2y equals 13. That's just copied down from up here. And now you can see our y's are the same, so that's going to be very easy to eliminate. So we can go ahead and add on this one. And this is going to be our step 2. Write it off to the side here. I'm going to go ahead and add these. So 6x plus 5x is actually 11x. 2y minus 2y or plus a negative 2y is going to cancel out, so you're going to have 11x equals 20 plus 13. It's going to be 33. As you can see, this works out nice. We're going to divide by 11. You're left with x equals 3. Once we find our x, we know that our next step and the last step is going to be to find the opposite variable, so we're going to want to find y. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into the top problem. So I'm copying this down. 3x plus y equals 10. All I did was copy that down from the original problems they gave us. And now I'm going to substitute for x. So 3 times 3, got that right there, plus y equals 10. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, plus y equals 10. I'm going to subtract 9 to get our variable by itself. These will cancel out. Y is going to equal 1. Okay, and our final answer is going to be the coordinate 3, 1.